Who's that? Oh, hey, it's Mr. Bunny.
I'm going to tell you what. All this money talk is making this bunny bored.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
Oh, you don't find money interesting?
No, we don't use money. We use carrots, of course. You know, we went to an all-carrot-based economy in the 1970s.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, you use carrots.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. And can you eat your money?
No. No, we cannot. Definitely not.
Score one for the bunnies.
Mr. Bunny. Don't even mention that out loud.
Yeah.
No, we do not. It would be very harmful to put anything small and metal into your mouth.
That's right. If you're a bunny, like a Mr. Bunny, and you use carrots as money, only then could you possibly eat one.
Okay, yes.
If it's a carrot.
Yes, if it's a carrot, you may eat your money.
Do you have little pictures of people on your money?
Yes.
Well, we don't.
Oh.
Ours are just simply delicious carrots.
Oh, that sounds really yummy.
Yes, it's delicious, but I have to admit something.
What?
I as much as I love our carrot-based economy,
Yeah.
I sometimes don't know how to, combine different carrots together.
Oh, what do you mean by combine?
Well, sometimes, let's say I had 2 carrots.
Okay.
And then my friend came along and he said, I'm going to give you a carrot. And then I put those together, and I don't know how many that is.
Okay, so you have 2 carrots.
Yeah.
And your friend came along and gave you 1 more carrot.
That's right.
Well, have you considered using a Montessori material to find out?
Is it a carrot?
No, it's not a carrot, but it's pretty
no,
good. I'm going to get something that's going to help you to solve that problem right now.
Okay. Now I'm getting hungry for carrots.
Do you know what these are, Mr. Bunny?
No.
They're not carrots. They are our red and blue rods.
Oh.
And this is going to represent 1 carrot. Would you like to hold that one?
Yeah.
Okay. And this one is going to represent 2 carrots.
Wow.
So if your friend had 1 carrot, and that's in your hands. Yeah. Oh, let's switch.
Thank you.
Okay. If you had 2 carrots already and your friend had 1, let's put them together and see how many that is.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's count.
1, 2, 3.
3 carrots. It's pretty simple, isn't it?
That means I got 3 carrots?
Interesting. These red and blue rods are a multi-use material.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's really amazing. Now, I have to tell you, can this do even more things than that? For example, okay, this is just an example. Let's say you were going to have a giant, cool dude bunny party.
Okay.
Yeah, and you were going to have all of your friends come over for a big carrot time bash. And everybody,
fun.
Yeah, right. And you had to bring carrots, of course, because it's a carrot time bash.
Of course.
So the first time, of course, everybody brings 3 carrots. Now this party cannot be complete unless you have 3 guests.
3 carrots and 3 guests.
Yeah, but how many carrots would that be?
You have to bring 3 carrots.
Yeah.
For 3 people.
Everybody brings 3 carrots. That's right.
And there are 3 people at the party?
That's right.
Okay, so here's 3.
Okay.
This person brings 3.
Yeah.
This person brings 3.
That's right.
And this person brings 3.
That's right.
I have the perfect Montessori material for this.
Yeah. Oh.
It's going to be our colored beads. Oh. Have you used those before, Mr. Bunny?
No.
Okay, let's do it. Let me show you. I'm going to get our 3 bead.
Oh, look at that.
How many are on here? Can you count them?
1, 2, 3.
3. Would you like to hold this one, Mr. Bunny?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have 1, so you're one of the people, and I'll be one of the people, and so I'll have this little 3 bead.
Yep.
And David, would you like to be one of the people?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And here you go.
Okay.
All right. So we've each brought 3 carrots.
Yeah.
We'll pretend like these beads are carrots. So we brought 3 carrots.
Yeah.
And we want to know how many are all together?
Yeah, how many carrots do we have for the party?
Everybody put your 3 carrots down.
Okay.
Okay, and let's line them up.
Ooh.
And now we're going to count them.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 carrots. Guess
Aaron.
what? We just did a multiplication problem.
What? Really? How?
Yeah, we did multiplication. These colored beads can be used for multiple things: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, all kinds of things. And we did multiplication with them.
Wow.
Yeah, pretty cool.
I have one more question.
Oh, okay.
I hope
sure.
this is okay. I don't think you can do this one though. I think this one is too hard even for your beads.
Okay.
Okay, now when people come to the party,
Yeah.
they don't just bring carrots. They also eat them.
They also eat them.
Yeah, now, but you know,
right, of
people are
course.
friendly. They don't want to eat all the carrots. So let's say we had our 9 carrots.
Okay.
And they ate 7 of them.
They ate 7 of them.
Yeah. How many carrots would we have left? You can't tell me that. I bet.
Well, let's pick a Montessori material to use. Do you want to use the red and blue rods, or do you want to use the colored beads?
I'm going to try those beads again.
Okay, let's try the beads.
Yeah, you and your special beads. You can do it all, huh?
I'm going to get out a 9 bead. Let's just count and make sure.
This one's a different color.
Let's make sure that there are 9 here.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 beads. You're right. All right. And how
That's the
many?
same number of beads as we had before.
Yes. How many were eaten?
Well, we ate 7.
You ate 7. All right. So this is going to be kind of tricky, but
Okay.
we can do it.
All right.
We're going to count backwards and till we get to 7, and we'll see how many are left.
Okay.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes.
And I'm going to hold it here. Can you see how many beads are left?
1, 2.
2 beads are left. I'm just holding it like this to cover up the beads that we counted.
It's like
And
the
so,
beads
you know
are like
what?
the carrots we ate.
Do you know what I love to do?
Yeah,
When
no, tell me.
after I do a problem like this, I love to exchange it for the real answer. So I'm going to put this one back, and I'm going to get out.
Ooh.
And so now it's really clear, isn't it? Would you like to hold that too?
Yeah, of
That's
course.
how many are left. Just 2 carrots. What do you think you'll do with those extra carrots?
I think I'll make a carrot cake.
Ooh, that sounds delicious.
No, I'm kidding. I'll just eat them. In fact, I'm hungry already. Gotta go.
Of course. Bye-bye, Mr. Bunny. Thanks for doing math with us.
That Mr. Bunny learned a lot. He was a little spicy today, though, wasn't he? He was
yeah.
not certain that those beads could do all this stuff. But beads are actually an awesome example of a material that if you are going to invest either time or money or both, depending on how you wanted to get those beads in your hands, they are worth it because you can do a lot with it. We did addition, subtraction, and multiplication. We used them with our preteen when we were working on reinforcing concepts.
You can just continue to use your colored beads and your golden beads as well. Stamp game, all those classic Montessori math materials. That's why they're listed under essentials.
Yeah, and you'll just use them on and on and on. They're just amazing.